Okay, here we go with another unboxing, I guess. We've been doing quite a few of these on the channel recently, huh? This time is something really special. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. The current gen Samsung flagship. And I am so excited to get into this one. Now, just as some, I guess, context, the current phone I'm using is this thing right here. It's a Galaxy A70. It's a great phone, mind you. I've been using it for over a year now. It's been really amazing so far, but you know, technology moves on, and also, come on, where's the last time you've seen a tech YouTuber with a series phone? Also, so you can hear like extreme noise in the background. There's like some construction work going outside. I just can't control that. But also, another reason I'm excited is I got these a few days ago. You can actually see the like unboxing first impression on this channel, but I have it up in the iCards. So these are going to match really well. Additionally, it's a Note 20 Ultra that I'm opening. Today is the 20th of October 2020, so that's cool. And it's also my birthday, so yeah, I made myself work on my birthday, and I have fun at parties. What am I saying? I don't go to parties. Not even my birthday, clearly, because I'm just stuck here. I'm gonna have to edit this video or something. But oh boy, enough talk about this. This phone. Okay, just for some size comparison, take a look at this. This is my current Samsung Galaxy A70, and this is the Note 20 Ultra. It's huge. Just makes this thing look like a tiny thing, and makes my previous phone over here, this Galaxy A5, which I had before my A70, look like even more of a dwarf. Like, look at it. It's absolutely insane. I kind of see what people said about the camera bump as well. As you can see, it is pretty giant. But I don't know, I don't think I mind it too much. The colour I went with is Mystic Bronze, just because it's like the most interesting one of the bunch, plus because I also picked out the bronze AirPods, not AirPods. just from everyone talking about Apple AirPods all day, Galaxy Buds Live. There we go, that's what I got. And now for the moment you've been all waiting for, the peel. Look at that. Oh no, there's a sticker left over. No, that is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And please tell me there's a film on there. There's like a film on the screen as well, but I'm not sure if is it a screen protector or is it actual just film that's supposed to be taken off. I'm actually not sure, so just in case, I'm gonna leave it for now. Also, I never actually used a Note phone before. Well, I used it, I just like, you know, at a local like phone shop, just like totally intending to buy or whatever. Well, I was really looking. I can't actually take it. There we go. Boom. There it is. This feels weird. This is definitely gonna take some getting used to. I also don't think I'll use the S Pen that much myself, honestly, because, well, I'm not really one for taking notes with a pen because of my horrendous handwriting that makes it pretty much useless for both me and also pretty much anyone who I would have, you know, wanted to send it to. See what else we have in the box, because we have quite a few things here. We have a nice little black Type-C charger. Type-C is pretty much, it's pretty much the Type-C, yeah, everything's Type-C, including this thing. Hello, you get Type-C earphones. These are actually pretty cool. They make like 8 kg as well, so you know, like the same people who make like stuff like this, like the Galaxy Buds Live. That's cool. I was about to like moan, so when I was like trying to in my head go over, even before I got the phone, like what I wanted to say in a review. One thing I wanted to, of course, moan about a lot is the lack of a audio jack, because unfortunately, as you can see, this phone is lacking an audio jack. And even though it's still a flagship, and flagships should have all those features, at least they bundle a Type-C earphone. They're going to see how good they are later. But for now, let's just go into the main attraction. Let's go into the phone. And whoa, okay, one thing I'm spotting already, while I'm just like scrolling through this country choice here, is the 120 display, because look at this. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to tell this, but it's so much, I can just tell it's so much smoother than like this normal display on a normal 60Hz display. Oh, I couldn't find my words then. I don't know, I'm tired today. Okay, what's this? Send diagnostic data, license agreement. Okay, yes, go ahead. Okay, I'm just going to set this phone up and be back soon. First impressions. Absolutely giant, but still somehow decent to actually hold. Like, I imagine it would be a pain to hold, but no, it's like I'm holding it here, I can still kind of hold on comfortably. Now granted, it is still an absolute monolith. And if I wanted to say, so definitely if I'm like down here, I can't press something down up here. I need to move my whole hand if I want to get up there. And also the camera bump, which is absolutely insane, being in a way, does not help. But at least, I mean, having such an insane camera setup like you have in this, which I'm going to go over in a second, that's at least really, you know, it's a good trade-off. I'd rather have a really good camera with a large camera bump than a bad camera with a small camera bump. And I just realized that I wasn't recording on my second camera that entire time. Okay, I'll try to rescue as much as I can of that footage. Sorry. Can't believe that. Like I said, I'm tired today, okay? Okay, so I'm like trying to wrap my head about like what else should I say about this phone right now. It is, well, I mean, the size itself is going to be definitely something I need to get used to because it is absolutely massive. Absolutely massive. The camera bump, another thing I could get used to. Another thing I could probably, but I'm not sure about it, is that this thing is supposed to be like a tank. This thing is an absolute tank. It has like special Gorilla Glass and everything, front and back. So I may actually run it without a case. Run a phone without my case for the first time ever. I'm not actually sure. I don't know how much I trust myself for that yet. And okay, whatever. We're in the phone now, as you can see. And let's look over exactly what we have here. Why does it come with... Oh, hello. Why does it come with LinkedIn, of all things? What's actually weird is that it starts you off with like the worst things ever. Like the rear recording is just set to 16:9, 1080p, 40 frames per second. And no, we can do 8K here, so 8K recording. That's actually so weird to think about. I have an 8K camera, like an 8K sensor right here in my phone. Insane. How good can we have the front be? We can have it be only 1920 by, actually no, we can have the front video be up to 4K 60 frames per second. That is actually pretty cool. Now one thing I really didn't like about this camera was great, but one thing I did like about it is that it really, is that it had applied a very weird zoom effect, like a very over-sharpening effect. And this one appears to be doing a similar thing, but it is we can tell it's way sharper still, so that's still cool. And also let's see what the video is like. So this is the video you're watching right now. This is my monitor with OBS active. This is all the stuff. You can kind of tell there's a bit of lag in the recording, I can tell. I'm not sure if it's just like the low FPS, because I think it records 8K 24 FPS, something like that. But you can see there's like but I'm not sure if it's just that or if just the screen is like kind of like lagging behind and can't process it, or I don't know. But yeah, the camera itself is looking pretty cool so far. And the screen itself is absolutely glorious. I'm not sure how well you could tell, but like the quality of it is just absolutely beautiful. It is a really beautiful looking screen. And honestly, look at this. The playback is actually looking really cool. The contrast especially is looking really good on this phone. That is actually insane. Well, anyway, I'm gonna probably leave this here. I'm gonna have a whole review out of this phone really soon. These are just kind of my first impressions. Really loving everything about his experience so far. But for now, if you enjoyed the video, maybe check out my Patreon, because if you even $1 a month is long way, this is one on the channel. Also, check out my Patreons, Gavin Burns and NKB. Thank you so much. Down there you find a link to my Discord, and also down there's our Amazon links if you want to buy anything from Amazon. I'll probably link them to these Galaxy Buds Live. And I guess that's really it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, over, and I'll see you all in what I have next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.